we have our recent news. The new game about Funtime Luna is now in progress, known as Funtime Luna, Funtime Frenzy. The story and the main plot is Funtime Luna's Isaac Newton puppet takes rebellion on Funtime Luna, and then summons all the most greatest enemies that Funtime Luna never faced. Except for Master Hand and Crazy Hand. And there's some totally weird pets, like Six Flags. Not Six Flags The Great Adventure, literally Six Flags. The Chess King and the Chess Queen. And Cerno, the most popular Touhou character. A new comedy is made by me. It's spreading online on YouTube. Comedy Kirby is a new comedy show about the shenanigans of Dreamland's and Blind Popstar's inhabitants. And yes, characters that are from Jam Bastion, and even Void Termina is going to actually be in the show. That's all the recent news that I have today. Bye.